Look at these colors and it is only for $2.99. I'll just quickly show you what my skincare routine looks like. So our setup is done for painting. We'll be painting on this canvas, cute little round. Welcome back to my channel. Those of you who are new here, my name is Anjali, and in today's episode we are going to the mall, and we are going because har jagah sale hai and I want to see what's happening in the mall. I'm very excited for that because whenever I hear the word sale I get excited. And yeah, I'm wearing this night suit. This is the comfiest night suit that I own, and it's pretty also. It has like white stripes over it and baby pink color, and I love it, but I need to change quickly so that me and my mom can head out and go to the mall. So let's go together. So this is what my outfit looks like. Please ignore the mess behind me. But yeah, I haven't done any makeup. I'm just gonna apply a lip tint, and yeah, that is all that I'm gonna do. I am not in the mood to do any kind of makeup. Let's go. Alright, so this is my fit. The top, jeans, and I recently bought this bag from Adidas and it's so cute. See? And this is my outfit. Also, this is my most recent purchase, Stanley, and this is in collaboration with Starbucks, and I love the color of this. So yeah, this goes wherever I go. So it's gonna go with me today also. मैं और मम्मा ट्विनिंग कर रहे हैं, लेकिन एंड ये हमेशा ये लटक क्यों जाता है ये गले पे. एंड आई हैव प्रॉमिस्ड मम्मी कि आज जो भी चाहिए शी कैन बाय, और वो भी मेरे पैसों से. पक्का पक्का. अभी एक मिनट, हम लिफ्ट में हैं बट लिफ्ट का बटन किसी ने भी प्रेस नहीं करा है. सो या लेट्स गो. आई एम एक्साइटेड बिकॉज सेल चल रही है तो शायद मेरे पैसे बच ही जाए.
मैं तुम्हारा ही देख के कुछ लूंगी फिर.
मम्मी हैज फाउंड दिस न्यू लव जहाँ पे जो भी मैं खरीदती हूँ मम्मा सेम ले लेती है. सो वी ऑलवेज काइंड ऑफ ट्विन दीज डेज.
फर्क ये तुम एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल लेती हो, मैं मीडियम लेती हूँ.
Medium. No, interesting. Currently it's 8 p.m. and Zara shuts around 10 p.m. हम hopefully half an hour 40 minutes में पहुँच जाएंगे. I am going to Saket Select City Walk and she will walk with me in Select City Walk. तो यार not just Zara, हमें और भी जगह जाना है, काफ़ी जगह, बहुत सारी जगह हैं. वीकेंड को नहीं जाना था बिकॉज बहुत भीड़ होती है, एंड टुडे इज़ अ थर्सडे. आई रैप्ड अप माई वर्क अर्ली, तो इसलिए मेरे पास टाइम था एंड आई थॉट बाय नॉट. सो या लेट्स गो. Look at these colors and it is only for $2.99. I like these kind of tank tops, especially for summers, and H&M में अच्छे मिल जाते हैं basics. Some really good linen pants also, and the pricing is also nice. This is for only 1500. Not bad. I really like these heels, but not this color. I bought them in white and they don't have my size, तो ये deliver कराएंगे मुझे घर पर, so I don't have to come again. Now we have come to Zara and मम्मा ने देखना शुरू कर दिया. मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आता ऑफलाइन. मम्मी ने अभी तक सिर्फ एक टॉप लिया है, वाइट.
कुछ पसंद ही नहीं आ रहा.
आज मम्मी के पास पूरी अपॉर्चुनिटी थी मेरा फ़ायदा उठाने की, लेकिन तब भी मम्मी ने मेरा फ़ायदा नहीं उठाया.
नहीं, मैं उठाई हूँ. हार्डली क्या, 3 शर्ट ली हूँ, अभी डिनर करवा रही है.
We have come to Andrea's and I was craving pasta for a very long time. तो अभी हमने पास्ता ऑर्डर करा है. We have ordered udon noodles, we have ordered dim sum and it's a dinner date with mama. मैं आज काफ़ी ऐसी उठकर आ गई हूँ, मतलब कुछ भी मेकअप नहीं करा है मैंने. आई एम सो स्लीपी, माई फेस लुक्स सो टायर्ड, और मुझे बहुत जोर की भूख लगी थी. मुझे ऑफलाइन शॉपिंग में कुछ समझ में नहीं आता. मुझे कुछ लाइक लिटरली मैं बोर हो जाती हूँ 5 मिनट्स में, एंड वही हुआ आज मेरे साथ. एंड वैसे भी हम काफ़ी लेट पहुँचे थे, तो हम ज़ारा H&M के अलावा कहीं जा नहीं पाए एज सच, बट फिर से आना पड़ेगा मॉल.
The next morning.
Hi you guys, it's day 2 of my vlog and I just took a shower and it's 8 p.m. right now. I was working the entire day and I'm not feeling well. I have cold right now and whatsoever. I had to start off with my day and weekend mood is kicking in. Yeah, I just wanted to feel fresh, so I took a shower and I haven't washed my hair. मुझे बाल नहीं धोने थे, मैंने अभी बाल धुलवाए थे अपने. But I'm wearing this cutie shorts again from H&M. I think H&M makes the best night suits. You know, I always lean towards their night suits. They are so comfy and they are just so soft, even they're cotton. These shorts, they came in 2 pairs. It was a set of 2. So जो दूसरा shorts है वो it's this one. It has stripes, pink stripes all over it, similar to the night suit that I was wearing yesterday, but it was a pajama set. I'll just quickly show you what my skincare routine looks like. I'm not going to do a full-blown skincare routine today because I'm not feeling well. I just want to get done with it. शुरू करते हैं. Usually on days when I'm not feeling it and जब मेरा बहुत ज़्यादा mood नहीं करता skin care करने का, but तब भी कुछ तो care करनी ज़रूरी है skin की, then on those days I go in with this soothing barrier support cream. This is by Ordinary and it has been a very viral product for a very long time now. Usually I use a toner, then I use the serum on top of it. I apply hyaluronic acid, then moisturizer, vitamin C, everything, all of these things are included in my skincare when I feel like doing it. And aaj nahi hai man, and I just take like a few drops of it. It actually nourishes my skin. I have a very dry skin. My skin type is dry, and even in summers I can't step out without applying body lotion or moisturizer. It's a must for me. Like I keep washing my face twice or thrice a day, and sometimes I use cold water with ice and I dip my face inside it ताकि जो puffiness है around eyes वो चली जाती है. So yeah, I have applied this barrier support serum and I usually massage my skin like this. I pull it upwards and even my cheekbones, I do it like this. So yeah, I'm done. I usually do this massaging for like good 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah, then my next step includes, I got this eye cream. This one is by Estee Lauder. And again, I don't trust eye creams because they don't do anything at all. You just need to sleep properly, you need to stay hydrated, drink water, and that should be enough. Because I remember like almost a month back, I had like really dark, swollen, puffy eyes because of my work. My work was very hectic at that time. But now, since I'm sleeping properly, I'm eating properly, and I'm drinking lots and lots of water, it has gone. Like it has almost gone. It's still there. It's always going to be there as long as I'm working. But yeah, I use these 2 fingers and I just dab it under my eyes and I gently massage it like this. And then in circular motion, I do like this. And you should do it for like a good 1 minute. Massage your under eyes because your under eye skin is very thin. तो उससे प्रॉपर हाइड्रेशन चाहिए होता है अलग से. Either you drink water and sleep on time, but apart from that also when you are applying moisturizer or anything, just make sure कि वो आइज के नीचे भी आप अप्लाई कर रहे हो, वरना अंडर आइज को हाइड्रेशन नहीं मिलती. Then for the last step, I'll use a hydrating moisturizer. This one is by Foxtail. I love their packaging. Also, I recently bought this. I have used it for a good 1 week and I can actually say that it is a really very nice product. Price range that they fit into because I usually use Clinique Moisture Surge, but it is very expensive. And as I said, I have a very dry skin, so I keep reapplying my moisturizer in every 2 to 3 hours. तो वो बहुत जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाता है. तो I wanted like a day, everyday moisturizer, and I found this one and I'm loving it. Always like whenever you are doing skincare or also while you're doing makeup, don't forget your neck because वो भी हमारे face का ही almost part है. It should look even. It's not like कि आप makeup कर रहे हो और neck को छोड़ दिया, skincare कर रहे हो और neck को छोड़ दिया. You should always apply whatever you're using on your neck as well. And I use it on my hands also. Like remaining product, I apply it on my palms because पाम्स को भी बहुत ज़्यादा हाइड्रेशन चाहिए होता है. वी ऑलवेज फॉरगेट दिस पार्ट. ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपोज रहते हैं टू सनलाइट, डस्ट, पोल्यूशन, एवरीथिंग, एंड यू ऑलवेज वॉश योर हैंड मल्टीपल टाइम्स अ डे. तो ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा ड्राई हो जाते हैं, तो यू शुड अप्लाई मॉइस्चराइजर हियर ऑल्सो. सो या दिस इज माई स्किन केयर रूटीन व्हेन आई डोंट फील लाइक डूइंग एनीथिंग. दिस इज माई लाइक द लीस्ट अमाउंट ऑफ स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स दैट आई पुट ऑन माई स्किन. देन फॉर माई लिप्स I have multiple products for my lips, so I keep changing them depending on my mood. If I'm feeling fancy, I apply the Rhode lip treatment. If I'm feeling my lips really need some more hydration, so I apply Burt's Bee. I used to like Burt's Bee a lot, but I think there are better products out there, so I have started using those products. But this one by Bobbi Brown is again one of my favorites. I have 2 of them. One I have used up completely. You can see it's empty. I have a backup. Like, this is so buttery and it just gives a very little tint to your lips. It adds life to your face when you don't want to do any makeup. See, it has given a very soft pink tint and it's very thick. And my face is glowing right now. I love it. This is what my skincare looks like. My everyday go-to skincare. But I sometimes do more things for my skin. And if you want to know what I do, let me know in the comments. Also guys, मेरी जितने भी jewelries हैं, accessories हैं, वो ऐसे ही इतने unorganized तरीके से रखे हुए हैं. So I ordered a few organizers from Amazon. So these 2 organizers I have ordered especially for my jewelry, especially to keep my accessories in this. So it has this clip on it. You just open it and then you can put your rings here or earrings and then some random bracelets over here. यहाँ पे आप अपने earrings भी लगा सकते हो organized तरीके से. And if you pull it down, you can put your chains over here. So I really like this. It is really very nice for traveling also. काफ़ी organized रहेगा. Also, I bought this organizer. This is acrylic. So you open it from here. And then you have these compartments to keep your chains or earrings. And then when you pull this up, you have more compartments. नीचे में bigger compartments है, तो इसमें कुछ बड़े accessories आ सकते हैं. And I really want to, redo my entire dressing table and the shoe bags rack, because ये अब इसको काफ़ी टाइम हो गया. I got this made in COVID and ये white color का है. So either I get it repainted or I get it remade. तो मैंने इसे फिर से like I have a few designs in my mind जो मैंने Pinterest पे देखा था most probably. So yeah, let's see. जब से मेरी लाइफ में Stanley आया है तब से मैं बहुत ज़्यादा पानी पीने लग गई हूँ. and I'm proud of myself. My mom is also very happy कि चलो मैं पानी तो पीती हूँ दिन में बहुत सारा. And the best part about this is कि जैसा टेम्परेचर आप इसमें फिल करोगे वो बहुत टाइम तक उसी टेम्परेचर पे रहता है. So I love it. This is my cutie. So I was getting bored, so I have decided to go to Saloni's. हम आज painting करने वाले हैं because we don't have anything else to do. So I have come to Saloni's and she does not know that I am in her room right now. And वो बहुत ही मज़े में नहाते गाने सुन रही है and I can hear, like I can listen to the music that she's listening to right now. And वो अभी जिम से आई है, so she's getting fresh. She's taking a shower. बाहर आएगी तो maybe मैं उसे डराऊँ. But last time I tried and I failed very badly. Matching. Saloni has tried to twin with me with matching chappal also.
And matching.
नहीं, I'm not. I'm wearing this.
भाई मैं तो अपने आउटफिट से मैच
मुझे लगा तुम मुझसे मेरे साथ मैच कर रही है. Today we are going to paint.
getting everything set for girls' night.
So our setup is done for painting. We'll be painting on this canvas, cute little round.
We found some inspo on Pinterest. We'll just show you. I'm gonna do watercolor and Anjali is doing acrylic colors.
Yes.
And we'll show you the final result.
Moments later.
Hello. Front cam हो सकता है? Of course. Let's do front cam. So, we were supposed to start painting
2 hours ago.
but no one walked into our room.
And we haven't started painting yet.
We played Cabo and we drank more, we talked.
Just corporate girlies talking about their lives.
Mostly Anjali ranting. But yeah, now we're gonna start. Since I'm doing watercolor and my favorite thing to do are like pastel colors and stuff like that, so I'm thinking of doing something like this, something very light pastel.
And I'm planning to do this.
I might even do
Butterflies.
this, like a starfish.
She has a lot of options.
But let's see what we end up with.
Whether we start painting or not.
See ya. Yeah, it is. See ya.
We are painting now. So this is the art that we made. This is done by Saloni. I made this.
एकदम ही
And-
other vibes hai, but I'm glad that we got
We did
done
it.
with. Yeah, and I don't think it's so bad for a first attempt. Our plan is to fill this entire wall behind me.
This wall is empty.
Yeah,
Okay.
and I want some art on it, so we're gonna.
And we are the artists that who are gonna fill this wall up.
Yeah, we're gonna do one painting every weekend, and we're gonna fill this wall up with small circle paintings.
Just circles or squares also.
Sub shapes add कर.
I don't think
बिल्कुल
कोई तेरे
setting
room में
मत
आएगा.
रहने दे भाई मेरे room को.
So Mama is making fish for me and vegetable saute, and I'm gonna have that for dinner.